of you that don't know that. It's an honor, an incredible honor. And I had a thought, and we have a Grimshaw, because this is part of the Grimshaw Gudowitz Trust, and I want to acknowledge them and their charitable work. We have a Grimshaw boat in 8, we have a Gudowitz boat in 8, wonderful boats. But we didn't have a Taradash. And I called Mr. Taradash and asked him if we could use his name, and he, I think, was actually taken a bit aback when I did that. He's a humble man sometimes. You know, he's a humble man, and I've only met you I think twice before, actually. It really is a pleasure to be able to say the kind of things I'm saying, because people have seen this boat over the last month, and they see Bernie Taradash. They've all got stories, and every one of them is, he helped us do this, he helped us do that. Every one of them, person after person after person. What a model for all of us to follow. What a model. And in lifetimes, how often do we get to meet a great man? I give you Bernie Taradash.
Yay.
Greatness is assessed by the people you've met in your lifetime. I've met some really nifty people. George was one of them. Coach Joe Burke was another. Rusty Callum, Harry Parker. For 4 years behind me at Penn. And I've had the pleasure of associating with Walter Peterson, who just passed on, and certainly George was there for a good long time. Also, we miss him, although he's in Italy, eating better. It's nice to have the seeds to be able to spread some of the bounty from the seeds to other worthy causes. And I think rowing has done a great deal for me, and I hope it will do the same for you. And if I can expand it and make some people's knowledge voyage a little more interesting, exciting, something to recall from the old days when you in the lounging chair watching somebody else do all the work. It's a great pleasure for me to do this, and I love Franklin Pierce, and I hope you guys, I had a son that went there, but he didn't last. He's now a school teacher, so must have gotten something out of it. So I wish you many victories. Most of your opponents knew your weight. So let's get down to getting a magic potion that'll make it go fast.
So Bernie, yeah, you and maybe that Bernie, as you may know, was a cox at Penn back in the 50s. So you're cox, Harry, the captain, or the other captains there too? Oh, okay. Morgan. And then
Morgan, and then right down. Let's move this. We christened this vessel the Bernie Taradash. May it be swift and sure and safe. From my naval background, may all its rowers have fair winds and following seas. Go ahead. Keep going.
Have everybody.
A little bit.
now Bernie would save a little bit.
Don't worry.